Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making donuts in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You guys, it's so incredibly easy, and if you notice, some of them are heart-shaped. Just for Valentine's Day, I wanted to make a cool, quick, easy video to show you guys how to make a quick, easy recipe for air-fried donuts in the Ninja Foodi Grill. It really is simple, and making them heart-shaped is just going a little extra effort to show that person you care about that you care. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. It's fun, it's easy, it's great for the whole family. And also, if you're wondering, what do I get that special person in my life for Valentine's Day? I have a good friend who is a consultant for Paparazzi jewelry. All the pieces are $5. Only $5, and they're nickel and lead free. So if you have sensitive skin, it's the perfect page. I'm going to leave the link in the description below and for her Facebook page. And also, I'm going to give you guys a quick peek of some of the jewelry that I just received this week, just so you guys can get an idea. You can check out her website online, and it's very user-friendly. You can find jewelry. It's categorized by necklaces, bracelets, men's bracelets, and so on. But we'll go ahead and dive right in. Hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm just to get my videos out there. And hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. For more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming to you guys every single week, all year long, 2020. This is the year for the Ninja Foodi Grill recipes on my channel. So hit that subscribe button, but let's dive right in. Okay, so all we're gonna need today are a can, or it's the can of Original Grand's Homestyle Pillsbury biscuits. Then we're going to need some sprinkles. Now, you will want an outline. This is about a 3-inch heart cut out. It has little ridges, but I promise you it will not come out when you're baking it. It's just going to give you the heart imprint only. If you want to do traditional style donuts, we're going to use the cap of a water bottle to just take out the little center of the biscuit. And then you will need melting chocolate. I've tried frosting. It isn't our cup of tea. It just doesn't sit right with the biscuit to me to make the donut. But the chocolate is out of this world. So there's vanilla flavored, and then there's chocolate flavored wafers. Now this one, I like these because they're stovetop directions. If I can get that to focus. Let's see. Okay, I will try and get a better close-up of that. But there's stovetop, there's microwave directions. So if you don't have a stovetop, or you can't use a double boiler, you can use a microwave. So they're really user-friendly, and you can find them on Amazon and Target. I found them on Amazon, but when I went to Target, because it's Valentine's week, they had the same sprinkles that I bought on Amazon, and they had the chocolate wafers in both flavors. So let me go ahead and open the can, and we'll get started. Okay, now we have our biscuits open, and they're pretty thick, and you can see that the heart is a little bit bigger than the biscuit. Don't worry about that. You can just use parchment paper. Just press it down, or you can use your hands, but just press it down so that it can fit the mold. And just check it. Keep going until you get the desired size, because they're going to puff right back up. So if you're scared that they're going to get small, don't worry. They're going to puff right back up, okay? Let's do it this way. You just want it even. That's our main goal here. Okay. Almost. Just go slow, and then you can use your cookie cutter. Go all the way around, press into it. Now you're going to have this leftover dough. Keep it press it really well into each other, and you can have little donut holes. So I'm just pressing it all together, and you can roll it to get a little donut hole. Okay, so that's the heart. Now for the round biscuit, you just use the water bottle top. I'm just going to press it down a little bit just to make it easier for the bottle, but you just press all the way down, pull up. Okay, it didn't go all the way through, so we're just going to go right back. And on the other side. Okay. And then you just take out the center and you have the round shape. So I'm going to do this for all of them, and we'll start preheating the oven right now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn on the grill. We're going to set it to air crisp at 325. And we're going to do 8 minutes. Okay? And we'll be back. Okay, so this is something that we're going to do in batches, and you're going to want some parchment paper, or it's not really necessary, but it just makes it easier for cleanup, and you can kind of do batches with it. I'm just doing a small sheet. It doesn't have to fit all the way, it's just kind of peace of mind for cleanliness, just so it stays clean. But I'm just going to go ahead and add the donuts. Alright, so this is about 4. So I'm going to go ahead and close the lid, and we're going to bake them or air crisp them for 7 minutes. I have it at 8 just so that the timer doesn't finish, and at 7 minutes we'll go ahead and bring them out. Okay, we're coming up on the 1 minute. Okay. Wow, they look amazing. Okay, so we're going to bring these out and allow them to cool, and we're going to bring the donut bites in. Okay, for the donut bites, same thing, but because they're smaller, should be about 6 minutes for them. So we'll just increase the time and let it run the 6 minutes. Okay, so we're coming up at 5 minutes for the donut holes. So we're going to allow these to cool with the other donuts for about 10-15 minutes, and then we can start decorating them. Okay, now that our donuts have cooled, this is the final batch right here. They're still cooling, so these are going to be the last ones that I frost. See, I didn't press this donut hole, or when I was rolling the dough together, I didn't press it together really well, so it kind of misshaped. This one was pressed a lot better. So it's just, you have to make sure that you're pressing it together, otherwise you end up with some funky looking donuts. But now we have our heart-shaped donuts and our regular donuts, so it doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. And all you have to do, actually we'll leave the parchment paper. All you're going to have to do is, I have my melted chocolate and melted vanilla chocolate, and you just swirl it in. That's all you're going to do. You want to drip the excess. Okay? Same for the heart. Press it in. Drip the excess. Okay? Alright, I'm going to do the same for the vanilla. Then you just drip the excess. Okay. And you can even do it with the donut holes. You can tap the top Alright, now while the chocolate is still wet, you can choose which sprinkles you want. Now, I bought the variety pack, so I'm just going to do random. Okay, I'll try some hearts for this one, if they want to come out. They're pretty big, so. Okay. And just go through them and be creative. And I'm going to do this for all of them, and we'll be back. Okay guys, and this is the final product of the donuts. They look amazing. They taste amazing too. This is something that I was trying, and my kids and my family ended up loving them. So I'm gonna surprise them with them today. But you guys, look at that. Look at that. They look amazing. And you can decorate them however you wish. This can be just a special treat. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. This video is just for Valentine's Day if you wanted to surprise that special person in your life, or you say, you know what, I'm special, I want them for myself. You can do that too. If you're interested in the jewelry that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will leave the links in the description for my friend, the page, her Facebook page, where she does lives on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And it's at 7 p.m. every night. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, 7 p.m. on her Facebook page. She'll do a live and she'll mail them out the following week on Monday. And I'll leave the link for her page directly where you can shop through her online page and it will ship directly to you. Alright, and that is how you make the donuts in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You guys have a great night. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming your way. Until next time, you guys have a great night.